Welcome back. Well, this is going to be a different video for me. Hat's getting kind of crushed on that bike. So, I'm going to talk about batteries. Mine started getting low, and I knew I'm going to have to do something. It's the original battery. It's at least 5 years old, and I noticed it was getting weak. And I'm having a lithium put in it from a company that sent one to me for me to try out. I said, sure, I'll do it, and I'll put it through its paces, because there's nothing worse for a battery than the Florida heat. So, unless you're in sub-zero, but your bike's going to be in the garage. So I thought I'd do that. The problem is, if it was my road glide or my street glide or my electric glide, I'd just lift the seat up, pop that sucker in, and be on my way. Well, not if you got a Softail. And I'm not into garage yoga. My knees aren't great. I don't have a lift. So I rode my bike on down here to Burt's. That's my dealer. That's where I bought the bike. Right next to Orange County Choppers. There was just no way for me to do it. So they're putting it in for me right now. And I'm going to spend the next 2 days just running everywhere, trying to work it hard, trying to get in the heat. Maybe do a full 8 or 10 hour day out on the road, stopping, starting, doing all of that, and let you guys know, well, how it worked and how it held up. Because if I like this, the battery company is going to have a special deal for you, my viewers. I'm not sure what it is off, but there's going to be some money off on it. And I'll let you know how it is. I like lithium batteries. I found it the hard way, but if you are building a bike to a stage 2 or even higher, or doing anything to your engine to beef it up, I found it the hard way that you have to put a lithium battery in there. My old battery would not even turn over my road glide, and it wasn't that old, but it was really struggling. But as soon as I got the lithium in there, that road glide just turned right over. Stage 2, all my mods, all of it. It really helped my electrical system too. But if you've got a stage 2, or you're going to put in a stage 2, you need to get a lithium battery. So let's see how this thing works, and if I can cut you a deal on it. And I don't do these often, but if I like it, I like to share things with you guys. If I can give you a deal on it, that's all the better. So I'm going to leave here as soon as I get my bike, spend the next 2 days wearing that battery out, and don't worry, it's the same video. 2 days for you will blow right by. Hey, so welcome back. I am a big fan of lithium batteries. because ever since I had the Road Glide, the lithium was the only thing that would actually turn that thing over and spin that starter up. And I want to thank there's a company called Tycool that sent me this battery. I want to thank them. And they've offered you a discount, and I'll have it in the description below. I think there's a little code or something you have to put in on Amazon. But it's been a great battery. I had it for a few days, and you know, in Florida, there's 3 seasons: hot, hotter, and don't you dare get on that damn bike. And it's been real hot here. But this thing has been great. You can tell when I start it up, it just spins that starter up really fast. The lights look good. I've been all over with it. Spent a few days. Never was disappointed in it. And in Florida, or anywhere, you'll find that heat is the enemy of batteries. But especially Florida, Arizona, Texas. And this thing never failed. So, thanks Tycool for doing this, giving my viewers a little discount. And you know, you can spend anywhere from, well, I think it's $200 to like $700 on a lot of lithium batteries. But this one's a pretty good discount. I think normally it's $179 or something. But it's been great. So why don't you check it out? If you need a battery, go to Amazon, go to their site, and use a geezer discount.